This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? We're now at Skøyen. I just have my phone with me. I didn't plan on filming, but here's Skøyen station. And this is a taxi stop. And it's been here for a long time, but wait, parking for taxi. Okay, so this is pretty cool. We have Kempower chargers here. And the taxis who are waiting, they can then plug in if they need to or not. You know? Wait, they have, of course, they also have Tibber and CCS. So I wonder if this is only for taxis. It should be, right? Not for regular cars. But I like the idea because you can then charge. There's actually someone. I wonder if this is brand new. Yeah, I wonder if it's quite new. There's some, seems like a journalist and someone who is interviewing some. You see, I just happened to bump into this on a coincidence, because I just returned a press car and I was going home. I have to check here. I'm taking the train back to home, but yeah, there's there's a Niro there over there. But look, 250 kilowatt, 800 volts. 460 kilowatt, 400 volts. So this is plenty fast. Toyota can, charge at full speed. The Niro also. There's another Niro there. Yeah, Niro. I haven't mentioned this, but Niro, they have made like a deal with taxi. So lots of taxis in Oslo, they go for Niros, various Niros, EL6 or other taxis. Man, I like this. You see, you don't need crazy long range. And people might say, but taxis, they drive all day and they need good range. Well, if as long as they can top up while they're waiting here anyway, half an hour or whatever, then they have indefinite range. Actually, the Nios, they also have a swap station, but it's not over here. It's on the other side of the city at Bjørn. So, wow, nice. And also, of course, Kempower, Mer. Seems like Mer is a CPO. See here. So they are the one who runs the chargers. But okay, awesome, cool. I like this idea. What do you guys think? Should we have more of these taxi stands with chargers? There are so many chargers that there are also fossils blocking the chargers, but that's fine. Oh, okay, I see now. There's a sign here. No parking except for taxis. I like this idea, man. I like it a lot. Which means that you could actually run a short range, like a Leaf or something, or I don't know, car with not that much range, but as long as you can top up, then you can do your stuff. So anyway, a short video from me. I think I better get ready. I'm gonna take the train now. Don't want to miss the train. But what do you guys think? Do you like it? I like it. Alright. Anyway, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later. And then sorry for the bad video and the bad sound. It was just on my phone.